Hi, welcome. So, we are proceeding towards event storming process to brainstorm. So, there is a tool. The tool is Miro. So, here I am having one Miro diagram which I have created on the other day in one workshop. I'm not using it. I'm not considering it for discussion. Later on, we will consider that. So, altogether, I'm taking a blank chart, blank Miro page, and where we will start the discussion. There are different templates. You can take any type of template. So, requesting you to explore some time. When you will spend some time over here, we'll explore it into detail. You will get idea exactly which type of template will be required for which type of event storming session. So here different type of boards you have, different type of workshop. For different type of workshop you have different type of board. According to the best suitable option for your project, you will select one and will start your design from there. So, highly recommending you to manage some time and to get familiar with all these type of tools, which will help you to identify the appropriate type of template for your business purpose. So, dear friend, uh, after spending some time, you will get idea exactly which kind of template you are trying to use. So, I am here on the Miro dashboard homepage. I have registered with my personal ID. So you can select all the board on by you or on by anyone or shared with you. So here I am selecting new board. It's saying that I have reached the maximum of what is permissible for free. Okay. So this is the whiteboard, my dear friend. As I told you, we need to use certain sticky. Uh, First, we need to consider that which case of study we are trying to consider. So one which I was trying to discuss with you, that was one Uber case of study, uh, which we will again reiterate from step by step, or we can consider a stock trading scenario. We can consider any healthcare unit where patients are coming and for their routine checkup. We can consider any scenario. So two, three different type of board I will request you, suggest you to create. So currently I'm considering about uh, one taxi service, Uber or Ola, whatever you can consider. What is happening in that case of study, dear friends, that there are different domain events. When a service provider is providing those services, let us assume in case of Ola, there are many business people which we are saying driver or driver partner who are getting registered with Ola. And there are people, traveler like me and you, which Ola is referring as customer or member. We people are also getting registered. Depending upon requirement, we are searching the cab from source to destination. And when the search is happening, and Uber engine or Ola engine is facilitating to filter or find all the cabs which is near to that location and willing to go from that source to destination and matching our selection for the car. So there are different segments, mini or micro or sedan or large segment. So depending upon your specification, it's trying to select the car. When the car will match, then you will get driver availability, and then driver will reach out to you, and you will start the process, the trip. So all this case of study is familiar to everyone. So and we are using in day-to-day activity. So let us assume we are trying to develop one, design one system for that. How we should proceed? So first we are coming and selecting one sticky. The first step, dear friends, we need to select all the domain event. First we need to select all the domain event, and for domain event we are using orange sticky. So I have selected one sticky. Size we can change from here, small, medium and large. So selected one sticky. Now this particular sticky, my dear friend, let us assume I am one user and trying to use this Ola cab services. So what will be the first step? That I will register myself. What will be the first step, dear friend? I will register myself with this Ola Uber. Okay, so user will register. Now the domain event always you need to write in a past tense. So domain event, you can consider that this event already happened. So when I am writing user register, it should already happen. So registration already done. I think so. Always it should go in past tense. Event should go in. We should use the verb which should represent that event already completed. So event should go in past tense. User registered. So a user came, and that user is trying to register himself or herself with the Uber system. After registering himself, what the user will do? What will be the next step, dear friend? So I have taken another sticky. Let me to make same size. So it will be easy for me. Or size. Okay, large will be very large. Fine. So it will be clearly visible to you. So yeah. So when user will get registered with the system, after registering, what will be the next process? After registering a user with the cab, what will be the next process? So user will search for a cab. What will be the domain event for that? Cab searched. While searching for the cab, while searching for a specific cab, what we are feeding, my dear friend? So from which station to which station, that is source to destination, which type of cab, that's all. That's all, no? So cab has been searched. That is another event. What will happen next? What will happen next? So you got a cab. You got a cab. So the next event will be cab arrived. You got one cab. Cab arrived. You got one cab. Cab arrived. Sorry, it all should go in consistent with the font size also. Here also, I will change that same font size. When the cab arrived, then what will happen? Cab arrived, then what will be the next step? So your trip will get started. When cab arrived, my dear friend, so the next step will be your trip will get started. Now, when trip will get start, eventually you will reach to your destination, and then trip completed, no? Trip completed. When trip will get completed, you will driver will stop this trip and you will do your payment. So the next step is payment done. You can select any appropriate word, my dear friend. Just you need to be consistent. You need to assure that this orange color you should use for domain event. All these are different domain event. And while capturing domain, you should assume that domain event already happened. After happening of the domain event, you are capturing it. You are mentioning it over here. So that just must be written in past tense. So cab arrived, trip started, trip completed, and payment done. Let me to make this one also consistent with this. Here, cab search. Just double click it, so you will get opportunity to write label on this sticky. User registered, registration done, registered, user registered. What should be the good keyword you need to select? Now, user registered should be the character or registration process completed, registration done. What should be the correct one? Cab searched or cab searched, cab, yes. Cab arrived, trip started, or journey started. What should be the appropriate one? What those domain people are referring? What we people are referring? Either is trip or journey or travel trip completed, payment done. So here is concept of ubiquitous language. Ubiquitous language means domain experts are using a particular term in certain domain. Are you getting my point? So, for cab driver, are they using the term driver or their driver partner? What is the appropriate term for that? For customer who is taking this service from Uber or Ola, are that person is getting referred as customer, client, traveler, user, registered user, or another one? So you need to sit together with your domain expert and you need to identify exactly what term we are going to use in our business. Terminology is very important, dear friend, and that is a very important part. And that Werner is trying to clarify that when you are sitting together and trying to draw this, you need to identify a common language for this. If understanding of that common language is acceptable within all, it means that you are creating a bounded context. And if the same term is giving different meaning for other people, like I am using the term user. So user means I am trying to refer, let us assume I am trying to refer for the rider, or someone is thinking about all the admin people or the operational people who is facilitating this Uber or Ola driving system in a smooth manner. Those operational people are referred as a user. So in some context, user will refer to those operational people. In some context, user, I am referring to the traveler or customers or passengers who are requesting for that. So it will create a huge confusion, my dear friend. Huge confusion. Role of that user as a operational staff is different. So you need to use a common term, that is ubiquitous language, which is very importantly required, and one bounded context, that is currently we are discussing with one bounded context only. Currently we are discussing with one bounded context only, and this bounded context currently what we are referring, dear friend, this bounded context is related with registering a particular user and enjoying the trip. We have not covered the process of registering a driver. If that we are considering, that will be a different bounded context. Sorry. Getting the travel agency permission by the local authority and to run a specific cab service on a specific route on a specific time, that is altogether a different process. That is a different bounded context. So there the terminology will be different. So you need to identify bounded context. You need to identify the domain event. So I have in this step I just have selected the domain event. I have arranged it in a specific sequence in which they occur. This is on orange sticky. So this is your step number 1. Recalling you, domain event should be captured on this particular sticky, and domain event should always referred in past tense. That will represent that this domain event already happened. And the third thing, dear friend, that you should be consistent with your selection of language. You must maintain ubiquitous language. So during the discussion, that is very important to identify. So here user registered or traveler registered, that you need to discuss. Cab searched, trip, or what the term you are trying to use, that you need to identify. Thank you.